post-war beauty. 1948 Lincoln Continental convertible. Moss green, kind of saddle or tan interior and convertible top. Of course, underneath the hood, V12. I believe the last year, the V12 in a Lincoln. And take a look at this chrome and bright work. How elegant this front end is. Boy, does that stand out. Now, if you want to take a look at the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint in the car, it has had a few spots from previous owner. Maybe just touched up a few spots, but overall, it shows very well. Previous owners drove the car too, enjoyed it. There is also a kind of little notepad, I guess, if you will, of the fluids that were used in it to pass along to the next owner. Kind of some operating instructions and some things like that. And I can also go through, let me go through a few things here. According to the previous owner, engine completely rebuilt, board 30 over, solid guides kit for intake and exhaust, reground cam and replaced hydraulic lifters, replaced crank and rear main seal kit, connecting rod bearings and main bearings, 12 new pistons and rings, transmission rebuilt. There's a whole list that will go along with this car and kind of notes on what was done by the previous owner. The overdrive was gone through, so the vehicle does have overdrive. It'd be a manual transmission, shifter on the column. Solenoids rebuilt. So all that will be along with it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And I didn't have the date as far as when that was redone. You can tell some suspension components underneath have also been replaced, and you'll be able to see the underside pics of this in the still pictures. Over 100 cars or 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. As you take a look at the rear chrome, the spare, iconic look. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Now, this does have a power top. I'm going to put the power top up at the end so we can check out the condition of that. Like I said, it is a camel fabric, and it goes up and down under its own power. Though it is not the quickest, it will go up and down. Let's take a look at the interior. As you can see, that has also been redone. We're going to fire this up too and take a look underneath the hood. Let you take a look at the engine bay. You'll be able to hear it run. I'll give you some starting instructions too. Push button door, gotta love them. Give the door release on the inside for getting out. Power windows. Seat fabric seems to be free of rips, tears, any sort of holes, much wear at all. All right, let me show you how this starts. I'm going to give you just a quick rundown on it. Key, this pulls out like that right there. That turned on your ignition. Over here, if you can see this switch right here, that's a fuel pump. That's off, left is on. That's the push button start right there. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See how easy that V12 started? Oil pressure pops right up. Right around 40 or so. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be anywhere. Looks like amp meter right in the center. And fuel gauge up near the top. I have not experimented with the fuel gauge to see if that's working at all. Take a look at that dash. I have not had the radio work. I did have the wipers swipe a few times. Remember, vacuum. They work as you'd expect. 1948 wiper system to work. But I did have them working. Power top switches right here. nicely. That door closes and sounded. Listen to that. How fun would this be to roll into any of your local car shows, cruise-ins? So it'll definitely turn some heads. All right, slip up to the front. I'm gonna pop this hood. We'll check out the engine bay and wrap this video up after we take a peek at that convertible top. Good shot underneath the hood. Now the VIN on these cars, down in the engine bay here, there'll be a picture of that where it's stamped in the frame. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Here's that V12. That's how smooth it is. Flathead V12. 292 cubic inches, I do believe. 12-volt system. Excuse me. 6-volt system. Wow. Nice looking as that. How good does that sound? On to the convertible top. Let me get that up. Check that out. Wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. Nice fit above the windshield. It's kind of a camel tan fabric. Nice shape, free of rips, tears, holes, glass. Rear window. Condition you'd expect in a car like this. And a nice fit, not really even discolored or anything. It'll keep you out of the sun or dry, whatever the case may be, when it's needed. 1948 Lincoln Continental convertible. What a gorgeous drop top. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1948 Lincoln Continental convertible. This is the Lincoln 12. And as you can see, it is Minnesota winter right now, and we've got dry roads though, so we're able to do some driving videos for you. This car is it's pretty amazing actually. It has power windows. The radio, I can get it to actually pick up static noise. I haven't got a station, but the radio powers up. It's a 3 on the tree. It's really easy to shift. It feels really well built. All our gauges seem to work. We've got amps that are showing about 3/4 the gauge. The oil pressure is about 35. Fuel is showing full. Couldn't tell you actually if that is accurate or not. Speedometer says we're doing 30 at the moment. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Temperature is reading just above cold. That may be accurate. We started it indoors a couple minutes ago. It's got a full-size clock over here as big as the speedometer. It's just a beautiful dash. Our windshield wiper smooth riding car. Comfortable seats. Being a convertible is just the icing on the cake, really. Brakes work well. Quite the luxury car.